This is the OPERNEE LED solar powered light. I have a bunch of similar motion detected solar powered lights that go around my house. I wanted to add another one for a bit more light in a particular area, so I got this OPERNEE light. I'm very happy with it. One thing you'll notice with it is, compared to the other lights that I have around the house, this one is very, very bright. It basically has two spotlights. You can adjust the angle of the spotlights where you want them. The light itself stays on all through the night on kind of a low setting, and then when you get close to it, it will brighten up, and very well it will illuminate the area that you are in. I have it right outside of my garage, so when I need to do things in the driveway is illuminated. I could see everything very well. It's a very impressively bright light. So far, the only issue I've had with this light is with the installation. For the most part, the installation is straightforward and easy, but I found that the 4 areas where you need to screw the holes in are so close to the rest of the light that when I was using my cordless drill, I couldn't get a straight perpendicular angle to the screw itself, so I had to come in at a bit of an angle. With the screws that this came with, I ended up stripping the screws. I had to get my own screws, and then even then, just kind of the awkwardness of it and the fact that I didn't have a ladder to use made it so I couldn't put the last screw in. I'll probably have to do that eventually later. It is in there nice and secure, but that's the only problem I've had with it. Overall, it's been a really great bright light. The light does last throughout the entire night. I haven't had any problems with that. If you're looking for a light for the porch or your deck or anywhere outside your house, I definitely recommend this light. I'll put a link in the description below.